Application of eddy currents. Eddy currents are useful in many ways. One of the applications of eddy currents is electromagnetic damping. When a steady current is passed through the coil of a galvanometer, it gets deflected. The coil keeps oscillating for a long time before coming to rest. Since the coil is wound over a metallic frame, the eddy currents are set up in the metallic frame. These currents oppose the motion, and the coil attains its equilibrium position almost instantaneously. The shiny metal disc in the electric power company meter outside your house rotates as a result of eddy currents. Eddy currents are induced in the disc by magnetic fields caused by sinusoidally varying currents in the coil. The metal detectors used at airport security checkpoints operate by detecting eddy currents induced in metallic objects. The metal detector at an airport security checkpoint generates an alternating magnetic field. This magnetic field induces eddy currents in any conducting metal objects carried through the detector. These eddy currents in turn produce an alternating magnetic field. This current induces a current in the receiver coil, which in turn produces a beep. The eddy currents produce undesirable effects in certain cases. For example, eddy currents produced due to change in magnetic flux heat up the coils. This results in wear and tear of the coils.